What's this? My cane! Found at last! You've done me quite a favor, young pirate. You have my gratitude. I have a gift to give in return. The gift of fun. Divert yourself with games of skill and chance. Step up to my wagon of wonders and let the merriment begin.
You've done it! The Troggy bombardment has stopped, you've recovered my amulet, and Finn is brought to justice. Well done. You didn't even try to swap my amulet for a fake. What are you, an honest pirate? Ha! Well, a deal's a deal, and you've done your part sure as silver. A ship I promised, and a ship you'll have. You take this writ down to the docks and seek out Dockmaster Dan. He'll see to it. Farewell to ye, Captain.
Avery sent you to claim a boat, I see. Congratulations. You're the proud owner of that mighty ship. Oh, I'm sorry. My mistake. That's not your ship. That's the one. And what a ship she is. You'll be the terror of the skyways in that beauty.
If I may be so bold, young pirate, that boat is indeed the saddest excuse for a ship that ever moored at this harbor. I cannot see, but even from here I distinctly hear its worn planks creaking and groaning like a sick yak.
Avery has not been honest with us. Go to him and demand what is yours.
What? You don't like your boat? I mean your ship? Oh dear. But I'm afraid there's nothing to be done. I've honored the letter of our agreement. I'm afraid I can't give you a better ship, Captain, but I can point you toward that which every pirate loves even more than his ship. Treasure. Have you ever heard of Captain Gunn? 'Tis a fine tale, and like the best of tales, it ends in gold. Captain Gun was a legend of the Skyways, feared by pirates and princes from Marleybone to Monkista. A finer smuggler never slipped past a blockade. Gun sailed to Mushu, mysterious realm of the samurai and the ninja pigs. And there, he made a tremendous discovery. On the cliffs of Mushu, there grows a rare and tasty delicacy, yum-yum fruit, the most precious commodity in the spiral. That's right, yum-yum fruit. It can cure disease, grant strength, and even restore youth. And it makes your breath minty fresh, which is nice. Unfortunately, the Emperor of Mushu holds yum-yum trees sacred. Stealing yum-yum fruit is punishable by death. If you get caught. Gun smuggled back loads of the stuff, and he sold it by the ton. Yum bread, yum cake, yum pudding. But his real stroke of genius was when he bottled it, and he called his creation Yum. Pirates went crazy for Yum, and everybody else did too. Gun was rich. He even trademarked the song. Whenever a pirate sings yo-ho-ho in a bottle of Yum, crafty old Gun makes a penny. When he retired, Captain Gun was the richest pirate in history. And then he died. So where's Gun's gold? No one knows. His last will and testament is the key, and it's been lost for years. Until now. Oh, an associate of mine found the will, and I can get you on his crew. If you do me one favor. There's a chalice in the treasure, wrapped in sailcloth. Bring that one piece back to me, and the rest of Gun's loot is yours. Go to the cave off the plaza. Madame Vadima waits within. She can teach you and send you to the crew looking for Gun's gold. She's, expecting you.
I have been waiting for you. Your destiny is great and terrible. You have much to learn. We must begin. You will find Captain Gun's treasure, though it will not be what you expect. Seek Mormo, the witch doctor. The barkeep in the Kraken Skulls will send you to him. Before you go, apprenticeship must begin. There are many powerful secrets I must teach you. Do not be afraid.
Ready for some training, are ye? The training menu shows the talents and powers this trainer offers.
Talents provide passive benefits. Powers are special attacks or actions you activate during battle.
To learn a talent or power, click it and hit train. Talents or powers in red can't be learned yet.
Check back frequently. Don't forget to visit other class trainers to see what they can teach you.
Ormo, what do you want with that savage? The treasure hunters are in the cellar, meeting in private. Head down through the trapdoor yonder. wish, nothing has changed. You have ship, but Mormo has will. Mormo is leader.
So I'm to be not more than a lowly pilot then? Pshaw. How do we know ye even have the will?
Mormo has will. Will is here.
Tar! Get him, boys, and take that will! I've got the will! The treasure's mine, you lubbers! Finish him off, lads! I'll meet you at the hideout!
Ratbeard stole the will! He's going to get away!
On it!
As you wish. You've got it.
Mormo does not know you, but you saved Mormo's life. Mormo will follow you. We go upstairs. Get Will back now.
You chasing Ratbeard? He come barreling through here like a greyhound with his tail on fire. Ran out the front door. Go get him!
You looking for Ratbeard? He went that way, towards the docks.
Looking for Ratbeard, are we, Captain? I can help you, young pirate. I know precisely where Ratbeard has gone. How do you ask? I may be blind, but I have acute hearing. I distinctly heard a group of 6 pirates running by. From the sound of their panting and their distinct smell, they were definitely wharf rats. I heard Ratbeard himself call to raise sail for home. It's well known Ratbeard and his gang make port. There's no time to waste. Talk to Dockmaster Dan and take possession of that death trap. I mean boat. Race to Blood Shoals. You'll find him.
There's your ship. She ain't pretty, but she'll fly at least as far as Blood Shoals. Head on up the pier to claim her and be on your way. Good hunting.
Oh, you got your first ship, eh?
Congratulations, pirate. You're a captain now. Take the bottle and you'll be underway.
We pirates keep our ships in little magic bottles. Easier to keep track of them that way.
To unbundle a ship, click the ship button at the top of the screen. Choose Unbundle Ship, then click the name of the ship you wish to unbundle.
You've earned a badge, pirate! Badges are special honors for a special accomplishment.
Click the hook in the top menu, then My Badges to see a list of your achievements. Good hunting!
See those glowing ribbons over there? Those are wind lanes!
When your ship enters a wind lane, it will follow the lane automatically. No steering required.
You've hit boost, pirate! Your ship's faster, but you're burning fuel. Click boost to turn it off.
You can refill your fuel at any major dock by paying gold. For a few crowns, you can refuel at any time.
You've reached your destination. Hit X to land your ship at the dock. A new life fountain. You're bound to it. You'll appear here after a loss, till you bind to another.
Judging by all the footprints, it looks like a crowd walked into that cave there.
No tracks lead cave. Ratbeard and crew's still inside. Be ready for battle.
Wait! You still live? Stay and hear my tale of woe, I beg ye. Look upon us, you who yet breathe, and pity our cruel lot. Ratbeard, our captain, told us of a treasure for the taking. We helped him win the will, as ye well know, and sailed back here to feast in celebration. We'll soon be rich, boys. That's what he told us. But the villain betrayed us. The food was poisoned. He killed us all and left us here. A feast for crabs. He'll have all the treasure for himself. Unless you stop him, that is.
So, you think you know magic? Come, I show you how much you have left to learn.